And now the clock is ticking to get your taxes done. That deadline is today, so we're working for you to help with some timely advice, whether you plan to file or perhaps request an extension.
CBS 8's Chris Grow live in Tierra Santa, one of the many places where people can drop off those taxes here today. Chris?
That's right. You just got to make sure it's postmarked by today, so it doesn't exactly have to arrive to the IRS by today. Now, we understand that for a lot of you that maybe haven't filed yet and you're waiting for the last day, this may all just come on very suddenly. You may feel overwhelmed. So let's break down the basics for you at home so that way you can feel more confident moving forward. Now, again, today is a day that so many Americans dread and sometimes enjoy if they're in for a return. But technically, you could file for an extension. Let's break that down. There's a form called 4868. One more time, it's called 4868. If you go ahead and fill that out, you can actually get a 6-month extension. Now, it's important to note, though, filers who owe money will end up facing late fees if they're not able to pay some or most of what they will owe by then. But it isn't always bad. As of April 8th, in fact, more than 70 million refunds have already been issued, and the average refund is almost 10% higher than last year. So, again, if you have a complicated return, that's when you should be filing for an extension, not if you have a very simple return. That is generally something that you will use if you're just trying to get a lot of documents in, and then that extension will help buy you some time in order to get your filing all together. Now, of course, for all things tax related, you can go to CBS8.com, click on that story link for all of those helpful links.